How to view blocked users list on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to view your blocked users list on TikTok step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from the pop-up menu, simply tap on settings and privacy. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now from here, you simply have to tap on the option labeled privacy under account. And now here, under the privacy, if you scroll down there at the bottom, you can see the option labeled as blocked accounts. So simply tap on it and here you will see the full list of people that you have blocked. And that's it. Now you know how to view your blocked users list on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.